Hey, Nathan and Nathan here from Critical Error Computing. We are headed out on the 25K PC build road trip. We're going to California. You may not have heard about it because I didn't post anything. Whoops. We're taking him $30,000 of real fake money. And just, you know.
In prop we trust.
In prop we trust because it's fun. So, anyway, here we go. We are now headed to the car. You can look this place up on Google, so I'm not trying to hide it. We've got our stuff packed. We got all our recording equipment, and we are ready to get on the road. Yeah, I'm driving first. All right, you ready to kick this off, Nate? We are on our way officially. New tires on the vehicle, and it's time to get going. Peace. All right, Nate, continue looking at the road, please, while we drive.
No.
Damn. We are several hours in. We got 8 hours left till El Paso, which is still Texas. It's a long Texas drive. We are going to be live on the 18th, and so bring some hype, right? Tell your friends and family we're going to be building a $25,000 computer on live. It's going to be awesome. We'll set up there with our whole situation. We'll live stream it, and it's going to be crazy. There's going to be all sorts of stuff we don't know how to solve, and we're going to figure it out. Yeah. Yeah. Another rest stop, still in Texas. Look at that Texas flag over there. Texasing. It's getting later. Getting 6.5 hours on the road. Onward. Started here, and now we're somewhere in here. We gotta go on the way to El Paso. Here comes the desert train. El Paso. It is El Paso. We are in El Paso. And we gotta pee.